actually going to pick a little bit of the gray and get our handle ready to go, but we're not going to put it on just yet. We want to be able to paint underneath there and give it a little bit of a chance to dry. So just a little snake-like. And I like to just set it down, and then I just bend it around the corners. And bend it around the corner. And then I'm just going to let it set to get it, just so it dries a little bit. Then I'm going to start painting. So Susan's back. She's got her tracing wheel, and she is making trace lines like crazy across her tent.
So I am just doing like little stitching marks here down the front. I'll do some here on the side, and then we'll add the openings. And we can even do them down here at the base. Okay, and I also want to do a window. So I want to do a window right about in here. So I'll just take my palette knife like this and just cut out a little shape, little rectangle. And then I'll save this piece, and that'll be my pattern for my black fondant. If you have a rectangle cookie cutter, you could use that. Okay, like so, and then I'll roll out my black.
That's going to make a great window.
I think I stole your rolling
You
pin.
did, but that's okay. I didn't want to make an issue out of it. Didn't want to make an issue out of it.
All
Okay,
right.
so I've got my silver ready, and I'm using a little bit of lemon juice.
Is that lemon extract?
I'm sorry, you're absolutely correct. It is pure lemon extract.
Excellent. Otherwise, I'll be drinking it.
I'm thinking good catch there. Otherwise,
All right.
lemon juice, we'd be getting calls on that all day long. All right, and so I'm just mixing it here. All right. And then I'm going to begin just painting. I did it in gray so that I could actually leave a couple of areas open so that it just has that really rustic look to it. And when I get it fully painted, I'll come back and I'll hit it with a little bit of black. And this is silver highlighter that I'm actually using.
Any questions?
Yeah, well, a quick comment. Your fondant looks pretty thick. How thick is it?
It just depends for, you know, this part was thicker that I put on for the trim and everything. Actually, that is a little thick. That's like I'd probably go, you can go like less than this. It's just, you know, we're trying to do this in an hour.
We're rolling.
Yeah.
But
So
in general,
I
to
usually
cover
don't like it
cakes,
that
you
thick.
really want it about an eighth of, or I'm sorry, yeah, about an eighth of an inch or slightly larger.
Yeah, about an
correct?
eighth.
About an eighth, yeah.
Okay.
So what you
So
moving
you're
on
just
to?
painting,
Yeah, I'm
painting,
just
painting?
painting.
Okay.
As soon as I start to get to anything exciting, I'll just cut you off.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so I'm going to do the opening of the tent like it's kind of folded back a bit. So we just have a darker green that we're using here. So it just has a little bit more of the chocolate fondant in it. And you want to roll, again, a triangle shape. Triangular.
Triangular.
How thick? No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't, you don't want it to be too thick, actually, to roll this back.
To roll it.
All right, let me grab some cornstarch here. Okay. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get here and here. Kind of measure it, eyeball it here by holding it up against there. So I don't want it to be taller than that. So I'll come back and cut again. And then I'll cut it in half. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is place it on here and then fold this back. So just need a little bit of, now I need the water. Place it on this way, so place it on and press down here, and then you can fold it back. Okay, same thing on the other side. Oops, I think I need a little more water. Fold that, kind of just tuck that underneath there, and then fold that back again.